Okay, so here is a quick little how-to about how to create Google Sites as a template. Not my original idea, got it from the Google Teacher Tribe podcast, and this guy called Joe Marquez did the hack. So the problem is, if we've got a Google site here and you want to make that as a template for students, you've got no options in here. All right, the share settings, it only allows you to that anyone can edit. You can't force that to make a copy as a template. So here is the hack. Step one, make your Google site. So we'll use this one here. Step two, add a folder in your Google Drive, and let's call this Google Site Template. Okay, so now I've got that folder. You are going to drag that, this is step three, find that Google site in your Google Drive. So there it is there, and you are going to drag that into that folder that you just created. So obviously I've got too many folders here, but here we go, drag that in, Google Site Template. Yep, we want to get that permission. And now on that folder, you want to change the share settings, right? You want to be able to share that folder that anyone with the link can view. So you're going to copy that link and then you share that link out with students. So if I just switch accounts here, so here is a new tab here. I paste that in there. All right, so this student will not be able to edit that folder, can't edit it, but what they can do, right click, make a copy. Okay, and then they will pull all those template features, the page layout, etc., etc., and they can go and have that template ready to go. Good tip to Google Teacher Tribe. Thanks very much.